This morning, the world watched in horror. A live broadcast was suddenly cut off, not by a glitch, not by a mistake, but by a missile strike. The anchor screamed, people ran, and then everything went black. For the first time ever, a nation struck at the very voice of its enemy while it was speaking live. The cameras were rolling, the words were still being said, but in a matter of seconds, they were silenced by fire. This wasn't random. It was an answer, a brutal, calculated reply. Just hours earlier, rockets had rained down on cities. Civilians died in their homes. And now, the response was louder, sharper, and aimed straight at the source. Today, the ground is shaking, not just from bombs, but from fear. Armies are moving. Borders are boiling. The red lines drawn in sand are being crossed. Everyone is watching. No one knows what's next. Is this the beginning of something far bigger? You're not just hearing about war now. You're witnessing it unfold, second by second. No warnings. No filters. Just reality, raw, terrifying, and real. Are you ready for what's coming next?